That JPA file is a complete Joomla website backup created by Akeeba. Every file, database table, and configuration setting archived for restoration or migration. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you restore, extract, or troubleshoot this Joomla backup. Here's a tip from my professional experience. For those truly difficult JPA files, you need a plan B, a secret weapon. I'll expand more on this after we try the other solutions. JPA files are backup archives created by Akeeba Backup for Joomla Content Management System websites. They contain complete website data, including files, database dumps, configuration settings, and media uploads, packaged for site migration, disaster recovery, and staging. Akeeba JPA files use a custom archive format, with a header containing backup metadata, followed by compressed file data and SQL database dump. They support file-level encryption split archives and incremental backups. The format is optimized for PHP-based web server extraction. The source application for JPA is frequently listed as Akeeba Kickstart from Akeeba Ladied. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows does not display meaningful previews, so proper reading depends on a matching backup utility. We are testing the limits of your installed programs. Right-click the JPA file and select Open with Test Akeeba Kickstart first. If it fails, select another application. Compatibility is not always straightforward. If your JPA file isn't cooperating, don't worry. We're dealing with a highly specific JPA file, so we must be precise. We need to run through this checklist and confirm all key details are correct. First, restoring the backup. Upload the JPA file and Akeeba Kickstart PHP script to your web server via FTP. Navigate to Kickstart PHP in your browser and follow the restoration wizard. Select the JPA file. Configure database connection settings and click Restore to rebuild your Joomla website. Next, extracting locally. Use Akeeba eExtract Wizard, a desktop tool to extract JPA files on your local computer. Download Extract Wizard from akeeba.com and select your JPA file to extract all website files and database dumps to a local directory for inspection or manual restoration. Finally, verifying backup integrity. Before relying on JPA backups for disaster recovery test restoration on a staging server. Akeeba Backup includes a backup verification feature that checks archive integrity. Configure email notifications in Akeeba to alert you of backup failures or integrity issues. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to FileMagick.com for the program. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.